National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central and eastern Allen County in south-central Kentucky, southern Barron County in south-central Kentucky, until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:09 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located near Scottsville, moving east-southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Scottsville, Fountain Run, Dry Fork, Allen Springs, Oak Forest, Maynard, Lucas, Austin, Nobob, and Yes. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
I'm at the display, it's 700.
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Clinton County in south-central Kentucky, southwestern Russell County in south-central Kentucky, Monroe County in south-central Kentucky, southeastern Allen County in south-central Kentucky, Cumberland County in south-central Kentucky, southern Metcalfe County in south-central Kentucky, southwestern Adair County in south-central Kentucky, until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:18 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles west of Jamestown to 6 miles north of Red Boiling Springs, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Columbia, Tompkinsville, Albany, Jamestown, Burkesville, Leslie, Gamaliel, Fountain Run, Despa, and Cartwright. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a flash flood warning for Clinton County in south-central Kentucky, southern Russell County in south-central Kentucky, Monroe County in south-central Kentucky, Cumberland County in south-central Kentucky, until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:38 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing very heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 1 inch of rain has already fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Tompkinsville, Albany, Jamestown, Burkesville, Leslie, Gamaliel, Litchell, Despa, Cartwright, and Snow. Additional rainfall amounts of around 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. In hilly terrain, there are hundreds of low water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in a warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Crockett County in northwestern Tennessee, southern Weakley County in northwestern Tennessee, Dyer County in northwestern Tennessee, Gibson County in northwestern Tennessee, northeastern Lauderdale County in southwestern Tennessee, northern Haywood County in southwestern Tennessee, until 1:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:39 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bradley Town, or near Dyersburg, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated.
Whoa!
Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Rutherford.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Tennessee: Crockett, Dyer, Gibson, Haywood, Lauderdale, and Weakley. Severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Dixon County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, south central Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee until 2:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:18 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Burns, 7 miles. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 175 and 190. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 175 and 190. Interstate 840 between mile markers 1 and 4. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. At 10:05 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:18 a.m. Central Daylight